你好, welcome back to the Hong Kong Cantonese for Complete Beginners video series. This is episode 2, where I'll introduce you to Cantonese tones. There are two systems for Cantonese tones. One has 6 tones and one has 9 tones. In this video series, we're going to use the system with 6 tones, which is also the system for Yut Ping. The 9-tone system includes tones numbers 7, 8, and 9, which are considered entering or checked tones because they end in a stop consonant. Simply put, the 9-tone systems, the last 3 tones, they're the shorter version of tones 1, 3, and 6. So for the sake of simplicity, we're just gonna consider Cantonese have 6 tones. So this is the tone visualization of the 6 tones in Cantonese. I'm gonna use the sound a for demonstration. A, 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 a. So as you can see here, number 2 and number 5, a, a, they are in a different color because these are rising tones. So when I say them, they go kind of like from the bottom to top. A, and then number 5, a. And then these are flat tones where the start and the end doesn't really change. A, 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 a. So these, the red ones, they are flat tones. So I'm gonna repeat it once again, and then after I say each tones, I want you to repeat after me so that you get used to the tones. A, 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 a. Okay, good job. Now I have put together a list of all possible Cantonese tone combinations of words. So there are 80 something of them. It covers all the 2-word combinations. So what I want you to do is I'm gonna say the word and then you're gonna repeat after me so that you get used to pronouncing the tones and then hearing the differences between them. Sing, 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 sing. 烏龜烏龜香蕉香蕉聽歌聽歌小姐小姐好彩好彩朝早朝早規矩規矩早餐早餐飲湯飲湯晏晝晏晝放棄放棄國家國家刺激刺激鍾意鍾意宣佈 宣佈，恐怖，恐怖，睇戲，睇戲，廁所，廁所，轉左，轉左，平時，平時，圓形，圓形，原因，原因，離婚，離婚，游水，游水，如果，如果，乘客，乘客，頭髮，頭髮，之前，之前，心情，心情，幾時，幾時，好人，好人，正常，正常，假期，假期，領養，領養，有冇，有冇，老師，老師，已經，已經，女仔，女仔，老鼠，老鼠，武器，武器，冷氣，冷氣，旅行，旅行，上堂，上堂，一米，一米，今晚，今晚，可以，可以，水母，水母，跳舞，跳舞，秘魯，秘魯，情侶，情侶， 行李行李植物植物附近附近現金現金綠燈綠燈自己自己栗子栗子肉桂肉桂直接直接日期日期石頭石頭物理物理隊友隊友生日生日失望失望鼓勵鼓勵寵物寵物進步進步意外意外牛肉牛肉期待期待肚餓肚餓有用有用 Job on following along with the practice words. Now I want to point out some common mistakes that my students usually make when they are trying to get the tones right. I would say normally, even if you get the tones slightly off, that's totally fine because we'll be able to get the context from what you were saying before and after. So really don't stress too much about the tones. But the common mistakes that I'm gonna point out to you guys are actually some that would make a difference. They have similar pronunciations, but with different tones, they can mean completely different things. So these are the ones that I would point out. But then everything else, I would say don't worry too much about the tones because it's like singing a song. Like once you hear it enough and you sing it enough, you get the tones right. I feel like with the tonal languages, it's just the same. So these are the common mistakes that matters and I would like to point out to you guys. The first one here, Monday, 星期一星期一 and then Sunday, 星期日星期日 So you probably realized here, very similar. 星期一星期日 So the key is, notice how sing and yet has the same tone. So when you say this, just imagine sing k and then match the tone of the sing yet. Sing k yet. Okay? But then whereas here, sing k yet. Tone 6 is in between tone 1 and 4. Sing K, yat. Have the yat in the middle of these two tones. So as you can see here, sing K, yat. It goes back to the first level. Sing K, yat. It doesn't go back to the first level. So this is the key to pronounce tone 1 and 6 in sing K, yat and sing K, yat. Second common mistake, sick to know, sick to eat. Sick can be used as knowing a skill, like 我識講廣東話, I know how to speak Cantonese. Or it can also be used as, oh, I know this person. I know this person. 我識佢. 我識 Rachel, for example, right? And then sick is to eat. So especially be careful when you say, I know this person. You don't want to say it wrong and have it become, I eat this person, right? So sick, sick. So fun fact, the word sick together, these two words together, sick, they actually mean you have good taste in food. Like you know how to eat, but it means, oh, you have good taste. Okay, third common mistake, 係 and 係. They have similar meaning to be, so these are kind of like to be as well. But 係, the rising tone, number 2, 係, it means it is a location marker. For example, 我喺香港, I'm in Hong Kong. 我喺, because Hong Kong is a location and I'm there. But then 係 is simply to be. So 我係香港人. I am a Hong Konger. So that's not location, that's like identity. So 我係香港人. So listen to the difference again. 我喺香港. 我喺香港 versus 我係香港人. 我係香港人. Okay, fourth common mistake, 今日 versus 琴日. So 今日 is today, 琴日 is yesterday. A lot of my students, they would like mix up the pronunciation and the tone, so it'll become like 今日, which is, I would have to guess, is it 今日 or is it 琴日? A trick that I teach my student is that think about English like chewing gum. The gum, apply that for today. 今日, literally like chewing gum. So you can visualize, today I'm chewing gum, like 今日. And then 琴日. Is tone number 4, which is the lowest. 琴日. Oh, a side note, people say 尋日 as well for yesterday. So yesterday can either be 琴日 or 尋日. They're the same. It's just personal preference which one you want to say. But yeah, they're the same. And then another confusing one. 買 to buy. 賣 to sell. 買. So this one is rising. 買. Here, this one. 買. To sell, flat. 賣. Fun fact, the word 買 actually means to trade. Another common mistake. 媽媽 and 媽媽. 媽媽 and 媽媽. So for here, just remember 媽媽is like lowest and then highest. 媽媽. And then grandma, 媽媽. Same tone, 媽媽. Versus 媽媽. So lastly, we have 細佬 versus silo. So again, this one's rising. Silo, silo. And then here, silo. This one's flat. Silo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys learned something from it. If you have any video suggestions, feel free to leave it in the comments down below. And I also offer private tutorings, and all the information are in the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Jagin!